guys hear me? All right, back where we left off. What up? What's going on with the chat here? Where's the chat? There you guys are. Perfect. All right, lovely, lovely, lovely. All right. Perfect. All right, we're back. Sorry about that. The Matrix tried to glitch us there. Saw me on Raja? Yeah, I just said what up on Raja's stream. I said good morning. Good morning, good morning. All right, we're back, dudes. Perfect. Yeah, we'll lower the music. All right, Dubs in the chat. W's in the chat. All right. Anyway, back to what we were saying. I don't know what happened there, man. The power went out or something. But yeah, we're back. And the W's are back. Yes. Let's go. And if you haven't liked the new stream, re-like the stream, please. Re-like the stream for us. Thank you, thank you, thank you. They can't hold us down. No, 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 no. All right, let me hold on. I gotta send the Zoom link out one more time here, and I gotta put the chat in the Dubs in the chat. Dubs. Oh yeah, okay, cool. 1 second here, chat. There we go. Live chat. Let's pop you guys out one more time. Boom. Perfect. Lovely. All right, cool. I think we're good. Let me just share my screen and get the chat box up here. All right, chat's good. And one more thing here with Zoom. Oh, I already shared my screen. All right, perfect. Let me just send the Zoom link out. All right, perfect. Okay, we're good. We are good. All right, back to business here. Back to business. You guys ready? What were we saying here? Oh, hold on. Enable waiting room. Okay, perfect. I think everyone should be good. Let them all in. Admit all. All right, cool. All right, let's do it. Let's get back to what we were talking about here. So we were saying we were coming down to the weekly time frame, talking about we may be expecting a bottom wick here, right? So daily time frame though is pretty bullish, right? We did close bullish above this level, right? This was the one issue about Friday, is that although we closed bearish on Friday, we never closed below this level here, right? So we never closed below here. And if we're not closing below, then there's still a high chance that we can continue up. And then yesterday's candle closed very strong bullish, and now we're finally coming down to make this bottom wick here on the daily. So taking a look at the 4 hour, what do we see here? We have a strong support here on the 4 hour. We also have a resistance here. Taking a look at the 1 hour. 1 hour has a very strong support right here. So I would like to look for sells below 570 here. If we can get those sells, then we can get priced to, as it comes down here in this range. And then worst case, we take our sells below probably 1913 here. Yeah, below 1913 is very, very clean. But these are your ranges, right? These are your current ranges on price. And that's what we're going to look to trade in. What we'll do in terms of buys, because we are pretty bullish on the day. Although we just came up to the highs, we never broke them. Starting to push down now. So what we could do is we could look for some sort of a fake out, right? some sort of a fake out right around this area here. Let me take a look at the 30-minute. Yeah, right around here on the 30. And if we're gonna take sells off the 30-minute, we'll just look to take our sells below 1918 here. So that'll most likely be the day. I like sells below 1918 a little bit more. Oh, let me lower the music. Because I like these sells a little bit more because you have 30-minute support levels here, right? So very strong support, very strong resistance, very strong support here as well. So I think this is going to be our best bet. And then if we don't get that, like I said, we wait for sells below 1913 here, below that major support, right? We've really been trying to close below this level here for quite some time. We took sells on Friday, I think, over here, right? We've been trying to get below here. So if we can actually close below these levels, then I think there's a very, very high chance we can continue down here. So that's what I'm going to be looking at for gold. Anything below 1913 is really clean, coming down to like 1904, 1905. This is a clean range here as well. And then I'll look to take my buys above, you know, probably somewhere above 1925 there. Yeah, let me look left. Let's take a look to the left. Yeah, if we can get some sort of a fake out on the 1 hour, like right around here, right? Because remember, this previous 1 hour candle closed a no bottom wick, right? And then this one opened up with very little to no top wick. So there may be a push back here on price, where price won't be able to close below these ranges, right? This range right here. Maybe price is gonna come back in the range, and if it does, if we get some sort of supports back in the range, then what we can do is we can look to take our buys, and take our buys from like 1921 and come trying to retest 1926 again. So that'll be the day. Let's see how price action starts to play out here, and then we'll be on board for positions, right? As long as our playbook shows up. So what I look for is fake outs, somewhere in this range to go back up. If we do get a closure, an actual closure below on the 30-minute and on the next 30-minute candle, then I think we're pretty clean to continue down. But we're gonna have to wait about 26 minutes for that. So I'm not gonna budge on these sells here. There is a support level right here. I am expecting a possible fake out, right, on the 30-minute time frame, and price, because we are bullish on the day, right? So if price wants to do a fake out, it's most likely going to happen here, close back in the range looking something like this, and then we can take our buys off this onion play, moving back up along with the daily bias, right? Now if we do get a 1 hour close and it closes below these levels here, I think that'll be a much better opportunity for sells. But this 30-minute I'm not going to touch. I'm going to just let it do what it needs to do. And then worst case, we take our sells below this support here. So that'll be the day for me. Simple day. Simple day here. Plenty of range though. Plenty of range. Yeah, the one thing is we've got the daily low now, right? So I don't mind taking my sells, taking my buys if we get a 30-minute closure back above the range at NY Open. But this 30-minute tells a big story, right? Because this is the 30-minute candle right before the NY Open. So if this thing remains below these ranges and the 1 hour candle closes something like this, then what I think is we can see the next 1 hour candle at the NY Open do a nice drive down here, right? Something like this. It would almost be a 30-minute celery play as well. 1 hour breakout. Now, that's what I'll be looking for here for sells. But if this 30-minute decides to close back in the range, right? Close something like this, then that means the 1 hour is failing to close below. And if the 1 hour is failing to close below, well, price can now start to push back up, especially if we're getting a 30-minute closure above the range. You should see the next candle retest that resistance to the left, right? And then potentially even move up and close above here today, right? And then there's more buys above there, obviously. So that's kind of like my initial plans right now and what I want to see price do. So it's going to do one or two of those. We just got to wait 24 minutes and 20 seconds for the answer. That's it. That be the day. Proceeds to close the show. Yeah. Yep. News coming in here at the beginning of the next 4-hour candle. Yeah. Yep. But today's gonna be a big day, ladies and gentlemen. It's gonna be a big day. We got a lot of clean, free range here. So let's sit tight, relax, and wait for price to come to us. Let's see here. What up, Nick? What up, AB Mike? What's good, brother? New here, guys. Do we acknowledge news here? Yes. Yep, we already went over the news here today. We know exactly what's ahead of us. We know what to kind of tiptoe around and where we can play today. So we got news coming in at 9. We got news coming in at 10. Should be a lot of volatility. By the looks of price right now, there should be opportunities for the NY Open here. And then that'll all be before the news. So we'll see if we can get into anything prior to the news. If not, we'll let news come out. We'll let price pick a direction, and we'll follow that direction to the best of our ability. Got 15 minutes celery play. $15-minute celery on gold. Oh yeah, 15-minute celery play. Yeah. There'll surely be a fake out. 1919. Awesome. Yep, we'll be there if it happens. We'll be there. Can you please show me your social trader options? Just blew my 100K account. Oh damn. Yeah, my social trader is on my other computer, so I don't have the account up on this one. But I would ask maybe Austin about some of the settings. He's the one that helped me hook it up. Yeah, I believe there's a video on that too. Can you check the NASDAQ? Yeah, let's take a look at the NASDAQ here and see what we got going on. So same thing with NAS 100 here, right? We had a bullish candle closure, and that closure happened above this range here last week. So we should continue on up. I do expect a weekly bottom wick. We haven't gotten that just yet, but I do expect to see that here. Let's take a look at the daily, right? The daily closed bullish, but what do you know about the daily? No bottom wick too, right? And that's the weekly no bottom wick. I am expecting price to at least come down to create that bottom wick, right? You may have some sort of a daily pack runner here today where price comes down, breaks that low, and then shoots back up, right? And you may see that here today on the NASDAQ. So let's see what happens. If all goes well, then we could probably see a daily pack runner break that low there, and price continue on up to retest these highs up here at 15,400. So that's something I'll be interested in, especially if we can see that low get broken there. So let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame. So 4-hour clearly has a resistance being formed, right? And then if we stretch this out, right, because if you look at the charts, man, like this, you can't see the detail, right? You can't see the details of what you would totally miss that strong support right there, right? So get used to stretching the charts out a bit so you can see exactly what you got going on, right? So there's a major support level right here. If you can close below that support, then I think that should take price down, and you may see a push down here before coming back up. So let's take a look at the 1 hour as well. That's a 1 hour, very strong 1 hour support here also. And then you got pretty clean traffic coming down to retest that support. Taking a look at the 30 minute, yeah, everything looks pretty clean here. So I am expecting to see a bottom wick on this previous daily candle. So if we're anticipating that, well, we got to see the 4 hour break the lows. We got to see the 1 hour and the 30 minute close below the support level. And then I think we can say we're going down, right? Because this was our initial closure, right? You had a closure right here. You needed to wait for a range 2, right? You can't take these sells here. Price came down, created a support, pushed up, created a resistance. Now if you do get a closure, this will be a range 2 breakout. So I think sells are pretty clean if we can close below that level, and it will probably look something like this, right? You get the closure below that we're looking for, and then price can continue down and potentially give us the bottom wick, right, for that daily time frame, which would be right here. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens with the NASDAQ, but I'll look to take my sells below 15,040, I guess. Yeah, 15,040, and then buys above 15,097. Yeah, pretty simple. Pretty clean. Yeah, you got plenty of room. If you miss out on this move, then you just wait for a closure below 14,925. That's it. Very, very similar. Yeah. Oh yeah, very simple. And yes, US30 is very similar. Almost the same price action. So we're just waiting on gold here. We got 17 minutes here. I'm not going to touch this 30-minute candle. I already explained why. I'm going to wait on gold's 1 hour NY open here. What you said yesterday on gold, 30-minute played out. Oh yeah, nice, nice. On gold, 30-minute closure below 1918. Whatever this support level is here. Yeah, 1918, 720, right? 770 or 720, somewhere around there. Yeah, we didn't get that, right? We clearly did not close below there. Therefore, can't take that position. But everything looks good. I think we need to wait for the 1 hour though, right? I can't take this position here because 1 hour this 1 hour candle, number one, closed with no bottom wick. Number two, never closed below the range. Therefore, I cannot take a trade here. Now it's up to this candle to give me a potential opportunity to get in the market. So we'll see how this candle closes here. What would be really lovely, gang, and I think I can smell it already, is that this candle closes like this, right? Right, you got that little nub, something like this, a clean closure below, and then we get a pack runner. So the next candle comes up, breaks the highs, right? And then we move down. That's what I'll be looking there for on NY Open. Pack runner. 1 hour and 8 a.m. Should we wait for 8:15? Yeah, we'll most likely wait for 8:15 on that. Yep. Yeah, unless 8:15 breaks the high. It all depends when we break the high. If we wait till 8:15 to break the high, then we'll wait for that entry. If we break those highs before 8:15, then there's a possibility that we may take an entry before that. So we'll see. We'll see. But we got 15 minutes and 10 seconds, so we're just waiting now. Lord bless our screens with an 8:15 back runner. Oh yeah. Raja's live? Yeah, I know. I just went over there to say hello. Some of you guys said we had news at 8 a.m. What news do we have? I don't see it. Can you explain the reasons behind taking trades at specific times like 8:15 and 9:15? Yeah. So the 8:15 and 9:15 trades, what the purpose of those trades are, that if we can find the direction, right? And if we get some sort of a pack runner, that kind of helps us with direction as well. But if we can pinpoint the direction and we have an opportunity to enter into the markets prior to the volume coming in, that's why we set ourselves up at 8:15 and 9:15. So those entries right there are opportunities for us to get in either at volume or before the volume, right? Because we know that if we get in at 8:15, we understand that there's a lot of volume that comes in at 8:20. There's also a lot of volume that's going to dump in at 8:30 till 8:45, right? And same thing with 9:15. We know that if we enter the markets at 9:15, we're entering ahead of the volume, right? And so we're counting on volume to continue to bring our trade to our destination. Now, the reason we wait till 9:15 or 8:15 is because number one thing I've noticed about 8 to 8:15, typically that candle will move up and down a lot. It'll move up and down, and then 9 o'clock is the new 4-hour open. So same thing, you want to, if it's a new 4-hour candle, I like to give it a little bit of time, right? At least like 15 minutes to open up and get rolling a bit. So those are the ideas and concepts around 8:15 and 9:15. Yeah, we're giving price 15 minutes to really kind of pick a side, pick a direction, print a nice candle, and then we're getting in, you know, to kind of be ahead of the volume coming in. 10 a.m. 4-hour close. Oh yeah, that's probably your 4-hour close, but I think the majority of us are 4 hours at 9. Depends what broker you use. But looking good so far. If we can get a nice pullback, that would be awesome. A closure right around like 1919 would be great, and then a break of the highs would be even better. What up, Scotty boy? Scott's in the house. Oh, you guys want to know how I'm feeling today? There you go. There you go. A-cap is 10. Is it? I never actually opened up my A-cap broker. What up, Johnny boy? He's here, chat. He's here.
Hey, what's good, Nick? What's up? How you doing?
Fantastic, bro. How are you?
Amazing, bro.
Same
It's gonna be the best day of my life today.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, bro. Same location I'm in right now. Flight got canceled last night.
I'm in Virginia.
Gonna do about it. Morning, chat. Morning, everyone in Zoom. What's up? Happy Tuesday. Another day of following our plan. Another day of being disciplined, being patient.
Oh yeah. The
Focus
lovely
on taking the real win today.
Yup. Salute, soldiers. Hey, yo. Appreciate you keeping it real on YouTube. Oh, lots of scammy traders. Oh, yeah, I know, right? I acknowledge y'all's hard work. Thank you, man. Thank you. Did I miss anything? Damn, my man went and got London pie, mashed potatoes, and gravy. That sounds good. Time to eat. It's time to eat, changing gear. Nah, you didn't miss much. Didn't think you missed much. All right, so you guys all know what we're looking for now, what we're waiting on here. And this is what we do, right? We just now sit tight and relax. Johnny Boy's flight got canceled last night due to the hurricane approaching. We got a hurricane rolling in. Does John always look serious? Always. He's always serious business.
Locked in.
Oh, Scott went over to the beach this morning and already looking crazy with the hurricane brewing. Hey, yo, it's brewing.
Isn't it? Beautiful out here right now.
Yeah. Looking good with the matching cap and sunglasses. Oh, yeah, that's right. It's like matching. There you go. We had a crazy earthquake here today in Bali. 7.1. Sheesh.
Wow.
Sheesh. My next birthday cake's going to be a candle with no bottom wick and no top. I like that. I like that. I like that. Oh, yeah, Starlink. Thank you. Thank you. They can't stop the stream.
They tried to, but they can't.
Yeah, nice pullback on this 1 hour candle over the next 8 minutes would be fantastic. Let's see if we can start pushing up on the 5. And as long as we close below here on the 1 hour, we're straight. The more we pull back, the better. Because if we're expecting a pack runner, we're expecting stops to be somewhere up in like 1920, like 200. So the more we pull back, the better, because that gives us a better opportunity for a stop loss, right? So if we can close right around like 1919 here, that would be great. We can keep our stops under like 25 pips, and yeah, that'll be a good one. Yeah, yesterday's trade was very nice too. Very, very nice trade. Job well done, everyone. I hope you guys understood that trade. I hope you guys know why you took it, the reasons behind it, and everything just played out perfectly there for us, right? Everything kind of looked clean. We needed that 4 hour bottom wick. We were expecting a push down. I mean, it was just lovely, lovely price action.
It was beautiful.
It was beautiful.
Taking advantage of that volume, with the 15-minute confirmation.
Yeah.
Great.
This plane should have had plenty of time to get in. Seriously, it hasn't even rained yet. Like he could have been back home in New York last night. Yeah.
Yeah. Yep.
This thing's
Never
rigged,
know, right?
man.
What am I gonna do about it?
It's rigged. All of a sudden, my power went out. Wait, hold on. The storm didn't even show up yet. What's going on?
What I'm saying, baby.
They think I'm not paying attention. All right.
Yo, that guy CK, that's exactly what I was thinking. Like, that's so true.
Yeah. Why is the potential fake outline there? It's more so for the 30-minute time frame. Yeah, it's not if the 1 hour closes below, I'm gonna gladly take my sells below here. That was more so for this 30-minute candle, right? Because the 30 didn't close below support, and this candle has very little top wick, right? So that was for me, based off the 30-minute, that if we did come back in that range, then we could look to take our buys coming back up. But it doesn't look like that's gonna happen. It looks like the 1 hour is gonna want to continue down, which is totally fine as well. And we'll look to take our sells below there. Yeah, we could probably switch the line here to sells below. Did I take a trade already? No, not yet. Nope. Yeah, exactly. Better be off the plane. Imagine this pulls back into range. Hey, this candle did. right? That candle pulled all the way back up. Look where it closed, right? So yeah, no doubt that could totally happen in 4 minutes here. We'll see.
Do a lot of things.
Yeah, well, let's see. I think the 5 closed with no bottom wick. Opened up with no top wick. Yeah. Just wait on it. The Matrix trying to take down the stream. Did we lock in already? Yeah, we're locked in. We didn't take any trades, but we're locked in. How come sometimes the candle should break the high and then take the sell? Good question. Yeah, because it needs to grab liquidity, right? So what a lot of traders will see is they'll see, hey, it's a strong closure. Perfect. You know, we'll take our sells. Like, let's say the candle closes here. We'll take our sells. We'll keep a tight stop. You know, we'll look to come down to support. And what happens is, one thing we've noticed, because this used to be us, right? We'll be like, we'll take our sells. Perfect. And this is a clean breakout. But what we failed to realize was that the top wick was very, very small, right? So a lot of times what we'll notice is the next candle start to come up and break the highs. And after it breaks the highs, that stops all the buyers out, right? Gives you a top wick, and then price continues to drive. So we've seen that happen over and over and over again, especially at the NY Open. And this right here is all the liquidity being grabbed, right? So all the sellers having their stop sitting above there, that gets grabbed, and then price was able to is able to continue down. Now, how did we figure this out? Well, we were those sellers that got grabbed, right? We were those sellers that got grabbed a few times, and we started to catch on, and we said, yo, there's money up here, right? The market wants to grab money up here, so let them grab the money first, and then let's put our money in the market after that money's been grabbed, so we can ride this thing down for the bigger move. So that's yeah, and then you guys say, hey, yo. Yeah, so that's the candle that we want to be a part of, but we don't want to be a part of it too early, right? And we've made that mistake once or twice, and we've learned from it, and then that's where we kind of discovered a little bit more about the pack runner. So that's a good question. Only 400 likes? Come on. Oh, whoa. 400 likes. How many people we got here? 1,300 and only 400? Man, come on. Come on, gang. If you guys haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like here today. If you're not subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. We only need a few more subs to get to 16K. So if you guys aren't subbed to the channel, subscribe now. Raja always says we need to wait for a retracement. Like 3 or 4 30-minute candles form in the same direction. What's your opinion? Yeah, so I like that idea, right? So one thing I'm big on is these ranges here, right? So you got to always understand where you're at in the range. So right now we're about halfway in the range. So what would I say? I say we still have room to go, right? Still have plenty of room to drive, about 40 pips. Now, if we closed somewhere like here, right, and we're at towards the bottom of the range, then I would say, yeah, we need a pullback, right? Because we're at the bottom of this range. So we need some sort of a pullback, or we just need a closure below. Because this same candle right here, I say we need a pullback, but right here, I say we're good to go. Because once you enter a new range, price gets new superpowers. It gains new momentum, new volume when it's breaking into a new range. So therefore, you should see a push coming down, right? So you won't really necessarily need a retracement at that point if you're getting closures below the range. Now, if you're just shy of the range, though, and it's looking something like that, then yes, I would say, hey, let's wait for a retracement. Let's see price pull back a little bit, and then we can take ourselves, you know, once we see a resistance formed, we'll take ourselves from up top there, right? So it all depends on where you're at in the range, in my opinion. My fault, just like that. Cool. Yeah, Raja. Yeah, what he's saying is wait for an onion. Yep. All right, so we got the NY Open here. We did close below. We got no bottom wick on the previous candle, no top wick on the current. On the well, no bottom wick on the previous candle, right? No top wick on the previous candle here, and we have the NY open here. So I want to see how 815 looks. If we can come up and get a pack runner here on the 15, I think that'll be pretty clean to continue down, right? We closed below that support, so we just need a pack runner here and we'll be good. Yeah. So let's just wait, give it a few minutes. Let's let it do its thing, and we may have potential entries around 1916, like 7:45 here. Oh, what's this? Give us the pack runner. Sam
pack.
Capital, what up, Sam? What up, Sammy boy? So we need a top wick, right? I would love to see this candle come up and give us a top wick on the 15, break the highs, and then come down. Right? We've seen this happen before, where we didn't necessarily come all the way up to make a top wick for the 1 hour, right? But we've seen the top wick. Remember, we've seen it on the 15, and that was an opportunity for us to watch that move happen. I think we've seen that twice, and it worked out. So we'll see if we can get it here today. Stops would be sitting like 20 pips or so, 25 pips in profit if that happens. But we need a top wick.
You're a FOMO.
FOMO.
Oh,
Haven't heard that in a while. Yeah, we're looking like a 20 pip stop if we can get that. I'm in Zoom. Oh, okay, cool.
Yo.
Let's get him. Let's get him in here. Sam making his way to the podium.
Good, brother.
All right, Sam is here. W's in the chat for Sammy boy. Big business.
Oh, I see it. I'm coming in.
Big
coming in hot.
now. Coming in
Yeah,
hot.
thanks, chat. Chat freed me.
Chat freedom.
W's in the chat. Now you gotta smell that pack runner up.
Oh yeah.
I love it.
Just wait on it. Hey, W's in the chat.
Yeah, y'all.
Yeah.
Y'all showing out.
Dubs in the chat. Hey. Man, we love you guys. Seriously, you guys are the best. Best community on the internet. No doubt about it.
Absolutely.
No doubt.
Oh yeah, best.
So real quick, while we got some time, let's talk about this potential trade setup, right? So what it would look like is, it would look something like this, right? Where we would have sell stops on a break of the lows. Stops would be sitting up here, wherever that pack runner, wherever the pack gets grabbed. And then TP will be down here, right? And then we could always see a bigger move later on. But I think we're going to target this area, this wick fill here, coming on down towards this support level. So everything looks clean on the 1 hour down into this range. I think we could take advantage of that with the pack runner. And that's what we'll be doing. So if we look left, we'll notice that there's an area right here. That's where we can probably move stops to break even, right around these levels here. And then I'll probably look to close partials somewhere down in this support level here. So that'll be about a 22 pip move. We'll go break even around 10 pips, close partials around 22 pips, and then, you know, see if the rest of it can drive. So we'll see if we can get that top wick, but that's going to be what the trade's going to look like for me.
Looks good. gorgeous.
Cool. Yeah. Yeah, it does look good. We need a top wick though. Definitely need a top wick.
Oh yeah, after that it looks gorgeous.
Yeah. Gorgeous.
Right now, I don't see any.
How about news
See
in
nothing?
55 minutes? Well, the news that's in 55 minutes. So, you know, typically we're out of our
Yeah.
trades within 20 or 30 minutes. So that shouldn't really
It's also
affect us.
just gonna talk about that as well as, you know, it's just housing news, right? So it's not gonna have too much of an impact on the market. You might see like a little bit of a spike come in for the first, you know, couple seconds that the candle's open. But other than that, it's not gonna throw anything crazy. If anything, we have Jolt's job openings, but that's for another 2 hours. So, you know, we'll definitely, you know, that's gonna be a whole hour into the next 4-hour candle. So, you know, our trade will be said and done more than likely at that point if we get one. So don't worry about the news. We chillin', chat.
Chilling. Is my time off? I think oh no, I thought yeah, if the clock is off, just kind of refresh your page. It should be good.
It's good for me.
Yeah. Any reason you don't look for trades earlier, around 4 a.m.? Yeah, I'm typically just waking up from my sleep around 4 a.m. So I never liked. I used to be that guy that would wake up and just literally burn my eyeballs with candlesticks. Not fun. Not fun. So now I'm up like an hour and a half to 2 hours before I'm even looking at a computer screen at this point. It's 4 a.m. here. Your time must be wrong. No, it's over here it's 8:07. 8:07 a.m. Just like it says on this on the live stream. Bro, word Shiro. Used to look at that thing. I used to look at all the moves I missed in London. Just way to set yourself up for a successful trading day. Come automatically look before you even look at light. You look at candles and you look at what move did I miss during the London session here today. Man, I suck as a trader. All right, this is gonna be an awesome day here.
Great start.
Great start to the day.
Way to prepare yourself for New York session.
Every trader has a morning routine. Wake up, look at the charts, trade. Playback speed to 2 to get it caught up. Hey, there you go. Oh, yeah. Hey, someone tell everyone about that hack. I wish I had that hack back when I was watching live streams. So if you play the stream, somehow I don't know, speed it up, you can get...
Click the little gear button, yeah. Change the playback speed to like
crazy.
1.5. Yeah, it'll speed it up. And it'll rewind it a little faster to get to the...
Oh, damn. Yeah, I wish I knew about that back in the day.
Yeah, whoever said that, big brain, 200 IQ.
Yeah. Facts. You're using your brain. I've been trading for some time now. I need a mentor. I will be glad if you can accept me. Oh yeah, no problem. Yeah, we're gonna put out the application forms. Well, first of all, we have the free live streams where you can come and learn for free. But if you're looking for in-depth mentorship, like more serious mentorship, then application forms will be out for the elite program later on this week. So make sure to fill those out, and then we're gonna go through them all week and select, the group over the weekend. So yeah, gonna be dope. Really excited about this next 4.0. My brain's making times two. TT gets the compound. TT.
TT Bears. I like that.
Yeah. Hey, chat, we got a whole website coming too, being developed, being created. It's going to be super cool. I know like you can come here and learn who we are, but we're going to have our own little hub outside of the Discord. Going to have the website up and running. That should be done next month. And yeah, I can't wait to show you guys We've been working a lot behind the scenes, trying to make everything better for the community, trying to make everything better for the mentees that are gonna come in, and yeah, we're just having a lot of fun with it. So it's been busy, but it's been so much fun.
Yeah, it's been busy, but it's been literally nail on the head.
Yeah.
There's gonna be so much rolling out, man. When you guys see it, you're gonna be like, wow, these boys were cooking.
Cooking.
I'm excited.
Oh, I like that. TTEUniversity.com. I should have grabbed that one. That's actually Shiro. See, I needed you in my life, bro. TTE University. Come on. W website. Boats and Lambos. At the compound. Yeah, exactly. Where did I learn? I learned from guys like Raja and Don. Those were my main two mentors. Have you done any trades today? No, not yet. Have you seen Trade Locker? I have not really looked into Trade Locker yet. No. I have heard some talks of it, but haven't really looked into it myself. Just get a second domain. Yeah, good idea.
You got a PhD.
Oh, I was just reading that one. That's too funny. Trade Locker sucks. Only 1 minute in time frame. Oh, 5 minute time frame. What? Oh, wow. Yeah, I haven't really looked into that.
Yeah, if that's true, that's terrible.
Yeah,
Those are the only two time frames I'm not trying to look at.
Perfect. Perfect. 1 minute and 5 minute. Let's blow our accounts.
Yeah, what?
Getting ready for hurricane. Yeah, I am. Honestly, man, I'm so focused on like my own life and my own like dreams, goals. I didn't even know there was a hurricane coming. My cousin who lives a little further south in Florida, she messaged me yesterday with all these like really smart precautions to take too. And I'm like, "Oh yeah, I forgot. We have some sort of storm coming in here." So yeah.
This isn't long.
It's crazy because it was like the first thing I seen on the news up here
Really?
this morning. It was Tampa. I was like, no way. I was like, no way. I was gonna text you earlier, but then I seen like the stream started up and then I was like, oh okay. But then when it went out, I was like, no way.
Yeah, that's too funny. Yeah,
Hopefully it's not a lone storm.
We don't watch the news or anything, so we don't even, we really rarely hear about whatever's going on in the world. I mean, if it's important enough, we'll eventually hear about it, right? Just like the hurricane. Like eventually, my cousin hit me up and said, "Yo, there's a crazy hurricane coming. Here's what you want to do. You want to do this, you want to do that," right? So I didn't need to waste any time watching the negative news and, seeing all this happen and this happened to a 4th grader today. Jeez, man, really? Right? So I just, if it's important enough, it'll get to me somehow. Other than that, it's time to eat. Feed me pips.
Time to eat.
Time to eat.
I didn't know that a hurricane was coming. Famous last words. I had no idea this thing was coming.
That's actually funny, yeah.
Hopefully it's in and out of here.
Yeah. We check red folders. Yeah, we check some red folders. We do a little red folder checking.
That is so weird too. He said so weird for us in Europe talking about hurricanes, only heard of it in the US. That is so true. I don't think there's ever been a hurricane that's hit Europe.
Dude, this might get us kicked off the internet, but I think the weather's rigged. Not even gonna lie. I think the weather's rigged, gang. Like,
it is.
Random things that should happen in a storm are currently happening right now. Like, what? The storm's not here yet. That shouldn't have happened.
Right.
My power shouldn't have went out this morning. What's going on? Off on the timing. It's like the pack runner, They started it a little too early. 100% right. Oh man.
Majors.
You found those missing emails in the red folder, yeah. Yeah, the Hurricanes always miss Tampa. Yeah, that's what I hear. It's like coming right towards Tampa, and then out of nowhere, last minute, just juked. Whoops.
That's crazy.
Kind of like your guys' eyes that day when I was in sells and Don was in buys. Whoops. Your eyes got juked. You got juked
Audio.
just like Tampa jukes the Hurricanes.
Like 2 L's.
Some of you guys like, damn it, I thought he forgot about that.
Yo, anyone know how long this hurricane's gonna be or no?
How I've been in a loss since the past 4 months and then found your stream and now it's the 5th month. Oh, you probably suck at trading. Yeah, that's probably what it is. But here you can get better. You're stuck, but you can get unstuck. This thing's a pack runner. Yeah, it's okay. If you suck at trading, this is a good place to be because this is where you're going to learn. Creating clouds. Yeah. I'm sure all that is very true. Got juked looking for... You guys need to go get some glasses after that. How to choose to watch you, Raja or Don. I like your discipline towards trading, so I'll stay here. Oh, thanks. Yeah, it's a tough trio there. Not gonna lie. I'm glad I'm not in that predicament. I don't think I'd know what to do. I think I'd watch Time to Eat Trading. Dropping the honesty. Hey, you gotta be honest, man. You gotta be honest with people. These 2 months are generally sticky. Yeah, they could be a little sticky. Donate. All right, so never got a top wick, right? 0 top wicks on the last 3 candles here. Very interesting. So we got 820 coming up. 815 did close, but no top wick again. Yeah. We gotta wait. Maybe what happens is we get a top wick at 820, and then we can enter on the reflip of this bearish candle here, right around 1916, 370. Yeah. So 820 is coming in 2 minutes. Let's see what happens. We're not gonna enter on the break of the lows because that's just a bit too far, right? That's about 10 pips from the flip. So if we actually do get a top wick, right, we'll have about a 12 pip stop. We'll enter on the flip here, and then we'll look to drive this thing down. So just wait on it. You gonna do it for us, 820 or what? All right, let's see. Yeah, so I'm expecting if 820 can pump us up here and give us a top wick on the previous 15, then I'll look to enter on the flip of this candle, anticipating that the pack has been grabbed. Candle's reflipping bearish, and price should come back down to that support there at 1914. So let's see if comics will do it for us. Let's see.
Yo, Landon, exactly, brother. Gotta make the best of every situation.
What strategy is that? Zero strategy. Yeah. It's the zero strategy move. 10 seconds for comics open. Let's see what happens here. I don't care. The steeper the wick, that's fine. I just want to see us break the high there. If we could break that high, we're in there on the reflip. So here comes the comics open. Will we go up or down here? We should see some volume now dumping in. Will we go up or will we go down? Patience, young grasshoppers. Yeah. 1K likes. Oh, can we get 1K likes? Can we? Where we at? Where we at likewise? Oh, 620. Let me like the stream. 628. Let's go. If you guys haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like so we can help some lonely traders out there.
Sub to the channel, too. Sub to the channel.
Oh, we hit 16K. Awesome. Perfect.
Oh, 16K.
16K.
Nice.
Thank you guys. Round of applause.
W.
16K. On our way to 20. All right, here's the comics push. What will we do here? W for 16K. Perfect. Dubs in the chat.
Let's go, W's.
Who remembers when we had 40 subscribers? Who remembers?
Ish.
Dubs in the chat. Dubs in the chat. Let's go. Good stuff, gang. 16K. All right, can we come on up? I remember when you had 15.9. Who remembers these days? How many subs did we have? See, we still doing the same things, right? Same stuff. Oh, sell stops. Oh! Oh, nice.
Later.
Later.
Hey.
Oh, nice. Yeah, look at that. That was lovely. Lovely trade.
How was that? Oh, we have no idea.
Oh, look at Sam Capital.
Sam Capital's in
too.
the building. Oh, Sam.
Damn.
Hey, Steven was there. Joe Stewart was there. Hey, yo. That was a blader, boys.
Later. I wonder what that was. Probably like 9:30.
That was at
Can't see, bro.
that was at 8:15. That was an 8 a.m. Trade.
Oh, wow.
Yep. Oh, what do you know? Pack runner. Oh, never mind. I thought that broke the high. Oh, Green was there. Ewan was there. Yeah.
Good old days. It's crazy. It wasn't that long ago.
Nah, that was when was that? That was 5 months ago. That was before the quaking began. People never quaked back then.
They ain't know about the bleed, or they ain't know about the juice, or
Ah,
they didn't know about tightening up or waiting on it either.
Word.
yeah, fact.
That's true. That's true.
Weren't there for the birth of it. Some of them were.
Yeah.
Yeah, W's if you've been here the whole time.
Not everyone could be here for the beginning, you know.
What a journey.
Yeah. What a time.
I walk around quaking, bleeder, and people don't like it. It's fine. True.
You already know it's Scott. Just getting started.
Yeah, just getting started. It's so true.
Word. Hey, yo, Steve, what's good, brother? What's up? How you doing?
Yeah, trust me.
Need to get Nick to see you.
Yeah, man, that was funny. Who that? Steve Kassams? Steve Kassam in the building. Good morning, Steve. Let's go, gentlemen. Yes, sir. What up, YOLO
Steve,
Trader?
bro,
Good morning.
Steve, I should have been up there yesterday, bro. All good.
Yeah, we got our own language now. Later. Men, don't ever tell your wife, yo, you're quaking. Tell your wife you
No,
tell your wife she's quaking.
not go
Watch what
down.
happens. She gonna be quaking you upside the head.
Quaking. I
Hell
couldn't
no.
imagine, bro.
Yo, shorty, you quaking right now. What up, Joe? Joe
Pretty quick.
Stewart's in the building.
So,
We got motion. Oh man. Yeah, no top wick here, huh? Left us hanging. That's all right. Cleanest sells of the day, I truly believe, are below 1913 here. Yeah, we can get clean sells down here. That'll be just lovely. We got nice range to fill. Right in here. So we'll see what happens with that. But I am still expecting a top wick here, man. Bro told her she's quaking yesterday. She woke up in the middle of the night and what you doing, Disturbed? Where are you? Does your wife call you Disturbed? Do your
was
friends
disturbed.
call you Disturbed?
third. Everyone's called their YouTube name in their regular life.
Dude's got nephews. Hey, Uncle Disturbed. How you doing today? Can we go play some basketball?
Right? People see TK and they're like, "What's up, that guy TK?"
Hey, that guy TK. How you doing, that guy TK? Yeah, I can't wait to meet some of you guys. Hey, I want to see some of you guys put some selfies in the Discord. You guys see, hold on, let me switch it over here. You guys see the selfie section right here? Put some selfies, man. Let's see. Hey, there's Scotty boy. Look at that beautiful family right there. Wow, studs.
Bro, Scott.
Wait, let me
Scott's a
find
stud.
this. Let me find the one I got him.
Y'all gotta throw some selfies in here. There's that guy TK. Look at this guy. This guy's handsome.
Y'all,
That's a
Y'all
handsome
some
man
handsome
right
men.
there. We got some handsome members of Time to Eat, man. Look at Christian, just macking. Kid macking right now. Hey, is that FX Viking? I don't know, but it just makes me think that that's FX Viking. Unreal. Hey, yo, oh, flexing on the boat. Flexing. Oh, yeah. Y'all got beautiful families too, man. And that should be all the motivation you need right there, right? You guys should look towards that family as a man, understand your purpose, right? Especially for the men. And let's get the job done, right? Let's get the job done here. Freedom is sweet, man. If you knew how Sweden was, you wouldn't even know how to pronounce freedom. That
Here,
guy
I'll put
TK would have been.
This is what I look like in real life.
In real life. The Viking. You guys are solid. Hey, what up, Benjamin?
Yeah.
You posted it?
Yeah.
check it out.
That's what I look like in real life. It's like that Squidward meme.
Hey, Daniel's in the building at the storage spot.
Hey, Daniel. Get it, bro.
Yo, Sam also just got a job at
Yo, what the-
Starbucks.
Yo, Sam.
That's what I look like in real life.
Yo,
Yo, Sam, bro.
that's
That's funny.
Hey, yeah, look at this. Awesome. Yeah, there you guys go. Hey, Disturbed in the building. Little stud right there. Yo,
Third.
Sam Capital, man.
Yo, Sam like a girl.
He works at Starbucks and then he also hangs out at the tattoo shop part-time.
That lip fillers go crazy.
Oh man, that guy TK just killed.
Man.
Dude's breaking the internet here.
Dude's a stud. Look at him.
Hey, Santiago. All right, I gotta be careful with Discord here, gang. I gotta be
Yeah,
careful. Weirdos know what channel we're in. All of a sudden, you don't know what comes popping up. My man,
Yo,
kids,
facts.
guys be watching this informational content with their kids out here. You know, gotta keep things right.
Word.
Hey, yo, that guy TK, man. Man's at the wet. Hey, there we go. Selfies on selfies. Hey, what you at the wax museum there? That's the wax TK right there. That's not even the real TK. That's the wax version of him.
Fresh suit, my man.
Fresh suit. Freshy. Load up the selfie section. Steve's in the building. What up, Steve? Oh my guy. I remember they trolled Don a while. That brother starved. Oh man. Oh, now the selfies are flowing. All right. Disturbed, lighten it up. That's not Shiro. That's definitely not Shiro. Yo, beautiful family, Disturbed.
Yes.
Awesome, man. I didn't know you were a daddy.
Hey, family man.
Family man, baby.
What's up?
Yeah, nah, this is cool. This is good to see some of you guys, man. Some of your faces, right? Man, I believe in you guys. You guys can really do this thing, right? You guys can really change your life in trading. You know what it takes, right? We talk about it all the time. Like, all it takes is self-discipline, right? Prioritizing the playbook over money, right? Understanding that you want to get good at the craft. Understanding that all the greats, they don't focus on the money, right? I always tell you guys, Tom Brady during practice did not focus on the size of his contract, right? He focused on how good of a quarterback he can be, how he could do the little things great, right? Because the little things are the big things, gang. It's the little things that separate you in life, whether it be reading 30 minutes before bed, whether it be, you know, not eating cookies, right, anymore at nighttime, whether it be instead of you listening to some stupid talk show or some sort of music on the way to your destination, turn on a personal development podcast, right? A success podcast. Like, these are the little things that don't necessarily make a huge difference in the time that you're doing them, but they start making a huge difference down the road. And that's what we always talk about with the separation effect, right? You separate yourself not by doing these big, huge things. You separate yourself by doing the little things and giving those little things time, right? Time is the entrepreneur's best friend. Time is the dreamer's best friend, because he knows or she knows that if he or she's got a plan in place and they're willing to do those little disciplines, then they too over time can be able to get to where they want to be. So yeah, it's just incredible. It's good to see all your faces, because I really do believe everyone can do this once you hone in, man. Hey, we got some studs out here in the selfies, man.
I'm looking at them right now.
Oh my God, that is Shad. There's Shad. Yeah, there's Shad. Shad got the leg tats, man.
Hey, Shad.
All right, very nice to see all you guys. Very nice to see. You guys want to see him? Oh, Lee Buckley's in the house. What up, Lee? Rob, beautiful family, man. Oh yeah, Gino's got a whole squad here. Hey, there he is.
Y'all got some
There he is.
really great families. Seems like.
Oh yeah. There's Shad. Shad in the building. What up, Shad?
Hey, wait, yo, Shad, where are you from?
Shad lives in
He's Brazil.
Brazil,
Brazil.
yeah.
Yeah, I was gonna say that, Brazil.
Yeah, hey, mini disturbed. Nice, nice. Yeah. We got there's Sam's coworker at Starbucks.
I'm still dead with that picture Sam sent.
Where?
Right here, Sam. That's your coworker.
Oi! Look at that boy.
Hey, chat. Any reason
That's
people at
so-
Starbucks now work? The workers at Starbucks look like this? Is that something in the interview process? That's something that they go through in new trainer hiree? I'm not too sure. Not too sure what's going on there. Yeah, still
That's
never got a top.
red FX.
Nope. Yeah, I'm not gonna take this here, gang. I see what you see, but I see a support that's 7 pips away here, so I'm probably gonna hold off on this. Would have liked to see that maybe a little bit higher in the range. Yeah, we're cruising into 845 here as well. You may get this 15-minute candle to close bullish, and price start making its way back up, right? Something like this. And then we fall again later. All right, come back down here later. But I may be totally wrong, but I do know that we are approaching the last 15 here, the 4 hours. So yeah, I want to stay away at this point. Brazil. Relax at the 15, guys. It'll be okay. Yeah, exactly, Gary.
Ellen,
Talk to him.
looking for the best move.
Hey, Rita. Rita's in the house. Yeah. Portugal here. 1K likes to see Shiro. Facts. Yeah, if we get 1K likes before 9, Shiro, you gotta send us a picture.
And there's no pic of him in Discord?
There might be. Before I came to your stream, I blow 3 challenges. Now I'm up 7% on phase 1. Let's go. Big W's. I'm here for about a month and a half. Welcome, welcome. Glad to have you here. Hey, if you guys haven't subbed to the channel, give the channel a sub and like the stream. Give the stream a like as well as we wait on gold here. Yeah, because you know what I'd rather do? I'd rather take some sort of a 1-hour pack runner over this 15-minute about bottom of the range stuff. Shiro hiding. Show us the dabber. Show us the dabber.
Know yourself, Shiro.
Oh, there. Hey, yo. There's green.
You seen that one in there? Right above. Wait, where is it? It's down below green.
Damon's stupid.
Yeah.
I'm just
Oh, that's
looking
what
at
that's what I was looking at. That's what I'm talking about. That dude.
That dude Damon funny. Damn. Loco mustache. There you go. Loco mustache. Me and hang on. Hey, look at that. Stud right there. Stud. Stud. Hey. Oh, look at this beautiful boy right here. Nice. I like that. Where is this? This looks beautiful. Where are you? What's in the background? Oh, nice. Nice water fountain. Cool. Just finished some shopping with your son. Crushing life. Hey, Disturbed. Oh, nice.
Disturbed.
Beautiful couple. You really are a Viking, huh? I like that.
I love
come.
that.
We gotta come visit you soon.
Right.
Where do you live?
For Valhalla.
Where do you live? Hey. 17 joined a month and a half ago, non-stop knowledge. Hey. Salute, my
coming.
man. Good
Yeah.
stuff. 17 years old.
showing up.
Soak it in, bro. If you mess this thing up, you could be a multi-millionaire by 21, 22 years old.
Yeah.
Hey, you'd be celebrating like him. Disturbed, unloading the selfies. Thanks to me. Awesome. Nice beach photo. You guys whipped out all the You guys whipped out all the vacation photos. There's Shad. What a nice family, Shad. Awesome, man. Awesome. Love it. Love it, love it.
Those are funny
Hey, in
pictures
the
I got.
pool. This is dope. Where's this at? Nice, nice. Selfie. Pool selfie. Another selfie. Nicole in the building. Disturbed snake. There's the.
Disturbed. What you got? A snake?
Hey yo, chat. There's the. My God.
Green. Yo, who do
Stop
you
playing.
look like, bro? Who's
Stop
Green, bro?
playing.
Looks
Stop
like the
playing
manga.
with him, bro. This what you could expect to see
Dude,
when you acting crazy in the Discord and in the chat.
Bro.
This man looking at you just like that.
yo, my boy looks like a 930 celery. Freaking flexing.
Yo, my man look like a celery play at 9:30, ready to rip.
Yo, for real, yo, for real. But like a small little
Chat.
topic.
When you guys do some stupid stuff in the chat and in the Discord, stop playing.
No, that's coming for you, bro.
Stop playing. You know this is coming for you.
Yeah, just imagine that from
Yo.
a slow roll.
Just imagine this boy's
It's
hunting you
slowly
down
coming at you, hunting you down. It's
before you
slowly.
even know it.
He sees you pick up speed, then he gets into a little jog, starts coming a little faster because he knows you ain't gonna outrun him.
Oh,
He starts-
man. Stop playing. Stop playing with the mod god. That's too funny. Hey, yo. Oh, damn. Now they're coming in. Yeah, it's a good day. Good time to just chill out.
Yeah, that's who it is. Yo, changing gear. Green looks like Dr. Dre. That's so true.
Really?
Dr. Green.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking of.
That's funny. Oh, Dopa. Hey, Dopa. Let's
Beats by
go.
Green.
Oh, my man getting a pump. Yay, what'd you get stung by? What are you, allergic to bees and got stung here, pal? My man's swollen, bro. Quit playing.
That's a joke.
You imagine him and Green coming at you? I don't know what to do. You'll never
Time to eat security.
you'll never spam the chat again. Oh, nice. Look at this thing. Wow. Oh, pilot? Oh, nice. Nice.
Yo, bro, I need you to fly me.
You guys got some great photos here, man. Looking sharp. Sharp couple right here. Who's that? Oh, I can't see your name.
Start.
Dukes. Beautiful family. Beautiful family. Yeah, more beautiful families. Hey. Deuces. Hey. Oh, look at this flex. Henry. Oh, no. Henry with the flex? Okay, bro. Stop playing with him. Stop playing with that boy. Hey, yo. He lifting pips. Yeah. Oh, nice, 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 nice. Awesome. Oh, where is this? I want to go here. That looks like the air is just super clean. Oh, LeGrand looking beefy, boy. Hey, we have a whole security squad coming up. This guy got stung by a bee too here, man. Looking flexed.
Yo.
Flexing on him. Swollen. Hey, look at all the boys. Nice, 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 nice. All right. Good to see you all. Good to put a face to the name. Hey, yo, the groom's been talking about bring out the whole ocean. Looking like he about to bring out the whole ocean right now. Looking like DJ Khaled out here. I was thinking, hey, there it is. Jimmy Lambos. Jimmy Lambos. Oh, he deleted it. Uh-oh. Come on, Shiro. Banned. Micah's in the building. There's Micah. Look at Micah. Chilling. He ready to pull up on that Tampa meetup. He's like, I got my Tampa outfit already.
Micah.
Oh man. Hey.
Wow.
All right, chat. Honestly, I'm scared to keep scrolling.
Alright.
You can't blame me. All right, we got 15 minutes left. This is the last 15-minute candle of the 4-hour just closed. The previous one closed pretty weak. Looks like we would have entered into this trade, and now we would have been sitting in no man's land. I think we would have got entered. Yeah, we would have got entered in. So, yeah, glad we didn't touch that. Let's wait for the 4-hour close here, and then we'll go from there because we may be setting up for a perfect 4-hour onion play here. We'll either get a pullback and a 4-hour will close bearish as an onion, or we'll get a push down and 4-hour could possibly be a breakout. So we'll see what happens. 30-minute, I would expect to continue up. Like I said, I am expecting a top wick on that 1-hour candle there. Man down. I think I put a selfie in here too, right? Didn't I put a selfie in here?
Yeah, I think Lele.
Could have sworn I put one with my Lele bug.
Yeah, that brother's starving.
That brother, stop. Yo, your selfie was too funny.
I had to do
Yeah,
something
Sam,
funny.
that was.
I was gonna put
That's
a picture of me with a raccoon in there.
Hey, yeah, there's me. There's me and my Lele at the beach. I said, let's take a selfie for the group. She said, all right, no doubt, Dad. Let's do it. Let's do it. Mr. Green, you a bit far from me. What's happening at 9 a.m. on Forex Factory? We have some red folders coming in. There's some S&P. Let's take a look.
It's the house pricing index.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
And then what's the S&P CS? Because I've never seen this one before.
So the S&P and the CS is the Standard & Poor's, and then the Case Shiller. They're just like sort of like indices to the housing price index.
Gotcha.
But I believe, yeah, it was today. Change in selling price of single-family homes in the. So that's what they're looking at. So far, we've seen decent numbers for the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months. So today we can expect to see the same. They're forecasting about negative 1.5%. Should probably come out right around there.
Bet. Patrick, I hope you create something that shows the trade when you open. Oh, every trade we take, Patrick, go back and look at our trades. Everything, you'll know exactly what's going on when we're in a trade. Yeah, you'll know exactly when we're getting in one, while we're in one, and what we're doing in that trade. Everything is up there. Let me show you. Let me get out of this 5 months ago stream. Oh, look at this. 241 total views on that stream. Total views.
Hey.
The good old days. So every single trade, Patrick, if you're new here, will be broken down the same exact way, right? Oh, yeah. Hey, yo, shout out to the guys who have been putting the timestamps on the stream. Thank you guys so much. It means the world to us. Thank you.
Shout out y'all.
This is earlier.
Making it easy for everyone, helping everyone out.
Yeah,
I was gonna say that's why there's no timestamp. So yeah, more money, more problems. FX, we appreciate you. Thank you guys. I know it's you and your buddy, so we thank you for doing these timestamps because it helps me too, right? Because I go back and I review all the trades and I could just go boom, right, straight to sell stops activated. And he's got it all set up there. But to answer, so thank you. And to answer your question, Patrick, everything is here, right? No matter what. When we take a trade, you'll know everything we're doing. You'll know where our stops are at. You know where our break even is. You know where we're closing partials. You'll know where our full TP. Everything is up on the screen when we're in a trade. So if that's not up there, we're not in a trade. If it is, then you'll know exactly what's going on and how we're going to go about that trade. Yeah. They don't do it like
Yeah, I'm
us, man.
excited to
They
see
don't
what
do it
happens
like
at
us.
10 a.m.
Not a lot of traders are being extremely transparent out there and showing you their trading, their MT5 and their profits and their losses and the good times and the bad times, right? They're not showing all that. So if you want to come to the probably the most transparent stream out there, this is it. This is the stream, man. This is
Only
the
stream
stream.
that shows you how to trade funded accounts too.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
X. It's
Yeah.
that stream.
One
I'm
thing
thinking about
about
that
our
yesterday.
strategy is it works really well for funded accounts, right? Because we got decent stops most of the time. We expect pretty decent moves, right? It's not a strategy where it includes a lot of over trading, a lot of pointless trading, right? It's very narrowed in and very, very healthy system and strategy for anybody taking funded challenges or anybody that actually has a live funded account. 80% win
Look at
rate.
what would have happened. We'd
Yeah.
have took a loss if we took that.
Sunlight.
Bow,
Yeah.
bow, bow.
So while we were here just looking at selfies, some of you guys I know were in these cells now, and now it's not working the best, right? So that's why I wanted to wait,
Yeah.
because I understood that we were right at the bottom of this range, right? The wick already wicked down and tapped into it, and we were most likely going to pull up from here for the new 4 hours. So if you made that mistake here today, don't worry, it's okay. But don't make it tomorrow, right? Don't make that same mistake tomorrow. And now we may have a 1 hour pack runner, which is way more like powerful than
Higher
a 15
confidence,
minute,
yeah.
right? Higher confirmation than a 15. And then you may see something like this now, right? For price to now continue down after the 4 hour open and the news come out. Who was in it? Don't be shy. It's okay.
Not my peeps.
But I was really, and still am, expecting a top wick here on this 1 hour candle. What's up, Nick? Hey, what up, X? What's up, bro? 80% win rate? Yeah, you know, something light. What up? Something light.
What time is it? 52. So, let's talk about the news a little bit if you want, like for the week. So like this week, the heavy focus is going to be the employment sector, because today we have the JOLTS job openings at 10 a.m. We also have the consumer confidence report, so that's going to about kickstart our week, right? And I feel like, you know, we've been talking about whether price is going to go up or go down with the weekly candle because of how it closed. I feel like today is going to give us our first clue as to whether we're going to, you know, want to move up or down. So if we see an actual greater than forecast come out for the JOLTS job openings today, then that's probably going to give us a move down for gold, right? Because that would be a bullish factor for the US dollar. So if we see green numbers come out for the actual today at 10 a.m. for the JOLTS job openings, that would be a bearish factor for gold. We also have the CB consumer confidence report that's going to come out at the same time. If we see the actual come out as green as well, so if we look in July, June, May, the last three reports, they all came out positive, right? Which were bullish for the US dollar, bearish for gold. So that's what we can so far assume based off of our previous economic data we have for today. And so tomorrow we also have at 8:15 our big main fundamental indicator is ADP NFP, which is also within the employment sector, right? So we have that on Wednesday. Thursday we have PCE price index with unemployment, and then Friday we also have NFP, right? So let's just focus on today. Let's focus on where price may want to move to. Yeah, but it's just overall the big economic events to look out for this week, right? So we have today at 10 a.m., tomorrow at 8:15, 8:30 on Thursday, and then 8:30 again on Friday. And if we wait for those economic events to play out, right, and we wait for the market to price in that data, and if we can understand what that data means for us on the charts, we can use that to give ourselves an edge along with our setups, right? Because if we know, think about it, let's just think about it like this. Say we have NFP come out Friday, so what, 3 days from now. So this is completely in the future. We aren't even gonna have any idea what the candles might print out and look like. If we have NFP come out and we have an increase of jobs created, right, that would be a bullish factor for the USD, so we can assume that gold is gonna come down off of that. So if we're gonna see good employment data today with jolts, then that's also gonna lead to us anticipating good employment data for the rest of the week as well. So that's really what I'm looking to see so far, right? That's gonna be the first thing I'm looking to see this week personally, is what jolts and the consumer confidence report looks to come out as today. And then based on that information, we can kind of see, okay, so because we don't know if it's gonna come out good or bad, right? We can use previous data to have a hypothesis or a guess, an educated guess, but we don't know exactly. So that's why we just wait, and then we can pivot, right? Instead of, hoping. So that's what I like to do. So that in case we do see a bad consumer confidence report, right? Because we did hear with Powell talking at the Jackson Hole Symposium last week that we are now seeing the lag effects of the rate hikes taking place in the market, right? So there is a chance that we could see, for the first time in a couple months, there's a chance that we could see I wouldn't say bad, but it could come out, the actual come out lower than forecast by just a little bit for the consumer confidence report. And same thing with the jobs opening. So that's why I say that, it's just interesting. Well, not interesting, but that is what you want to be looking at here today, right? Based off of what Powell was talking about on Friday and what economic events are going to propel price this week that have the most impact on price.
Appreciate the shout out for the timestamps. Yeah, that's some good information too, right there. We got that information coming out in 1 minute and 45 seconds too. Let's see what happens.
I'm lost. So basically, let's just sum it all up. Like, do a TLDR, right? We're gonna look to see. We're gonna see how the week is gonna kickstart based off of 10 a.m.'s data, right? Obviously, if we get a setup beforehand at 9:30, we'll execute on it, right? But I'm just saying, in terms of for the rest of the week, having a bird's eye view, a macro view, higher time frame view of the market, because it's quite often that, as manual retail traders, that we can get, so deep down and dive into the lower time frames, and we forget about the big picture.
The bigger picture. Yep, that's what I love about fundamental knowledge, is that, like, you can expect price to do XYZ before, right? Like, you can expect
candles.
something to happen before the actual move, or you can kind of understand what the reaction's like, and then catch the move on the back end pretty much. Are we gonna get a top wick here in 20 seconds? Will we get it? Will we get the long anticipated top wick we've been waiting for? Oh no, we didn't get the top wick, but there it goes there. broke the highs. So perfect. So brand new 4-hour candle here. I am expecting to see a top wick before we start coming back down. And yeah, it looks like we closed bullish on the 30. We closed bullish on that previous 15. 1 hour close weak bearish. I would expect some sort of a pack runner here happening. Want to see maybe if we can get wicks up to like 1917, then we may have an opportunity here.
Not even sure. I don't even know. I don't think any of those.
What do we got? What do we got? All right, lovely. So let's see if we can get a top wick for the 4-hour. What I think is going to be best is if we wait for a resistance, right? Some sort of resistance here. Now we've done this once before where we've taken the sells right here on the break of the lows. Not a bad idea, but I do want to let the news come out and the 4-hour open up a little bit here. How did the news come out?
So it did come out actual greater than forecast, right? Green numbers.
Green.
So there's our first little clue. But overall, we're not going to see too much. We'll see some more volume. That volume that gets you guys quick and where the prices and the candles start moving nice and fast. That'll be at 10 a.m. It won't be like a Friday move where you see it like play out over the course of several 15-minute candles. It'll be like that first 5-minute candle. You'll see the volume. Maybe not even that like first like minute or two. You only ever really see moves like Friday, like we say with NFP, CPI, FOMC. What's the other one? PPI.
PPI. Yeah, I don't think it's ready just yet.
And then obviously Friday wasn't like, if anything, it was like FOMC with the Jackson Hole speech. Why is there no extreme volume on the news right now? Because it's just housing price data. Right, so it doesn't have too much of it doesn't hold that much fundamental weight on the price of gold. The housing prices. Right, so compare the news that we just had released now to the news that's going to release in an hour, right? You have the consumer confidence reports, right? Which is going to survey like economic conditions, labor availability, business conditions, right? So things that that show you how the economy is doing, right? Same thing with the JOLTS job openings. The number of jobs that were open in the last month. Excluding the farming industry, right? Because the farming industry is always going to be open. Farmers are always going to be growing crops. That's just like a little bit of, I guess, cool information to know. Didn't need to know, but cool to know. They don't include farmers in the NFP report and that.
Yeah, this is looking pretty good actually. 1 hour broke the highs, got a 4-hour top wick. 1 hour broke highs. 30-minute, I like this, right? The 30-minute didn't really do much here. We created this top wick for these two candles. Tapping back into this range here. 15-minute, I want to see some sort of a bearish confirmation though. Yeah, because if we re-break this 15 low here, price should continue down. Right? That's also the 4-hour low. Yeah, I like this. I'm going to have sell stops on a break of the lows here. Yeah, right around 1916, 940-ish here on a break of the lows.
Yeah, this is like one of those scenarios we get where that 4-hour candle closes right below that support
Yeah.
too, so it just doesn't need that much of a, you know, it still made one.
Yeah,
like
yeah,
a top
exactly.
wick,
We've
but
seen this happen
yeah.
quite a few times here now. As well as for the break even, I'm gonna look to go break even right around these levels here. 1915, we'll go break even, and then probably look to secure partials somewhere down in this support zone down here. So yeah, we'll see if we can get it. Yeah, we've taken the same position before, right off the 15 like that.
I remember that. That was last week.
Yep. Yeah, it was like a week or two ago. Yeah, looks good. So potential sell stops here on a break of the lows. Lovely. Stop loss is going to be above the current candle highs, right? So somewhere above this 4-hour high that has been created. So we'll see where that goes up to, and then that'll be our stops. 5 pushing up. Let's get it. Cash out. Ain't nothing but a G thing. Yeah, I like this now. Back in the range. Looks good. Yeah, this is good. I wanted to see the wicks in this zone here too. All right, you see a lot of wicks here. Somewhere right up in here was perfect. So if we reflip now and just happen to break these lows, there's a very high chance we'll continue down. Look at the 30-minute. Yeah, no, I see the 30. I've seen it look like this before. Off of the 4-hour, 1-hour, 30-minute look like this, 15-minute look like this. So it's not too bad. If anything, what we'll do is, depending on when this 15-minute candle closes, if it closes above the range, we'll delete the buy stops or the sell stops, and then we'll wait for a resistance. So if we get a closure above, we'll wait now for resistance to form, and then we'll take our sells coming back down here like this. But if we break the lows now, then I think it's pretty good. That brother starved. Yeah, stops are only about 15 pips here too, so not too bad. All right, are we in? Almost. Are we in? Are we in? Okay, perfect. So it looks like I got in. Got into some sells here on the break of the 4-hour lows. Stops are going to be kept above the current 4-hour high here for about 15 pips. And then TP is going to be down. Oh, TP is going to be down here, right around this 1913 zone. So that'll be the trade. Break even looks good right around these levels here off the 30-minute. Got some resistance there, some support as well. And then we'll look to go close some partials right around this support level here. And then that'll be the trade. And then that should be the 15 high, right? If we are going to close bearish on the 15 and really go down here, then you should see something like this, right? And then the next candle continue down. So that's what the trade's looking like. That's what we're expecting to see here. And now it's time to wait.
That's it.
Let me just make sure my stop is good.
Hands probabilities.
And yeah, should be good to go. We've seen this happen before where we entered off this 15 low, the break of that low, for price to continue down, as that was also the 4-hour low as well. So we'll see if it plays out this time. Dun, dun, dun. Entry. Could you please be loud, mate? Yeah, no problem. No problemo. Somewhat of a 1-hour pack runner too. If this falls, would you consider adding a second position at 1922? 22? What do you mean? I'm not sure what you mean by that. Quake debated. What'll be the plan if it breaks above? Nothing really here. You know, there's no way we could really manage. We're using current candle stops. I think if we do close back above the range, and yeah, we can probably look to manage this. But other than that, just either a closure above or full stops. Yeah, that's about it.
Looks good though.
Yeah.
Trust. Oh, 1919. 1919. That's way up here though. Yeah, 1919. Wick fill, let's go. Yeah, maybe we get the wick fill here.
Nice getting that resistance on the 15.
Yeah, I agree. So the 15-minute candle is going to close here in 1 minute. 1 moment. Yeah, what we could also do too is we can increase our stops a little bit above this candle high here, just so that way we don't get wicked out. If it does kind of give this top candle a top wick, I think that would just be a few more. It wouldn't be nothing too crazy, right? Yeah, just be like maybe an extra pip or two. 1918. Yeah, because we did close bullish. We closed below the range here though, so that's pretty good. 5-minute pack runner. 5-minute packy. 5-minute Pacquiao. Need at least 1K likes. Hey, if you guys haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like. Give a like to the channel. W trade no matter the outcome. Yeah, exactly, gang. You got to understand every outcome is random, right? We could win this trade, we could lose this trade, but we took this trade, right? It's a good, solid trade that we would normally take. And yeah, we just got to let the probability play itself out. Let time do the ticking and we'll get a result.
Yes, sir.
Chat quick. Previous candle closed bullish. Yeah, but if you guys notice, the candle closed bullish below the range here, right? So you see that support there? So if we're closing bullish but below the range, this candle now may want to create a resistance for price to continue down, right? So that's what we're looking to anticipate happening here. Price forms a resistance right here, and then the next candle is the driver. So that's what we're looking to see if we can get here. No Bruce? Oh yeah, we forgot Bruce too. Strategy? There is no strategy. Don't. Let's see where we're at on the 30. Don't spread me out here. Don't spread me out.
You get stopped?
Not yet. Not yet. We did make a little wick though for that candle. So that's why I wanted to adjust that. So let's see if we can hold it.
15-minute break and pause.
Hold the line, baby.
Hold the line. Hold the line. Hold the line,
baby.
dude.
Got your pack, come down.
Yeah, you grabbed your pack. You don't need any more pack. Oh, all right. I got stopped. Stopped out. Yeah, so 4 hours coming up to create a steeper high here. Let's see what happens. Let's see if we grab the pack and start rejecting or if we continue up. W's in the chat.
15. That's 15, man.
Yeah. Yeah, so that worked out for us twice recently. So let's figure we give it a go here. It looked good, right? 4 hour created the top wick. Broke the lows there, came back up, created a new top wick. Yeah, the one thing about the 15, maybe we just could have waited for a resistance up top here. That's all. So we'll note that. We'll keep that in mind, and we'll use that next time. But yeah, we may want to create a steeper top wick now for this 4 hour candle. So we'll see.
I still like the 1 hour pack runner though.
Yeah. Yeah, I
like
still
that
like
a
the
lot.
push down here.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe we'll give it another go at the closure of a bearish 15-minute candle. Yeah. Dun, dun, dun. All right. Let's mark that up real quick. All right, let's mark this up. So isn't it pretty funny how every time we enter before 9:15 it doesn't do the move, but when we wait,
That makes sense.
it tends to drive.
Yeah, that's so true. I feel like every time that we said that too, where it's like, oh, this is the closure for the 4 hour that we talk about.
Yeah.
And then it just does that. Hey, that's trading in a nutshell.
Yeah, exactly.
I feel like I see it more often than not. Now we're out at 9 a.m.
Yeah, if we go back on our stats, we're gonna take a look.
Usually always waiting for 9:15.
Yeah, I guess we're trying to call this the pack runner here. That was break of current, right? Yeah, current. That was, I think, 17 pips. Okay, lovely. Sweet, so 9 a.m. So let's look, 9 a.m. worked out for us. 9 a.m. didn't work out for us. Didn't work out for us there at 9 a.m. Yeah, I don't think we took many 9 a.m.s before that. Yeah, that's okay.
That makes sense though.
Word.
It makes sense why we need that confirmation on the 15th.
Yeah, I think for now, what we'll always do is we'll wait for that 15 confirmation. Right? Wait for some sort of resistance. Even if like it happened up here, it doesn't matter where it happens, right? The higher it happens, almost the better. Because then we have more room to come back down, right? So even if it happened up here, then we could look to take our sells coming down like this.
What happened yesterday?
Yeah,
Much
exactly.
same thing.
It's pretty much the same exact thing. What the... Work took me away. Work saved you today. Yeah, it was really a 4-hour breakout. That's really what the trade was, right? We were just trying to add up the clues on the lower time frame. I'm risking too much. Oh, lower the risk. Please update the monthly wins and losses. All right, cool. Let's do it. Monthly. There we go. Okay, cool. That should be good. Why are people so good? That should be good there. We always update it right away on the losses. Right away. Got to get those in there. Can you explain the trade you took? Yeah, it was pretty much a 4-hour breakout, right? You had a 4-hour candle close below. Price was moving down. 1 hour close, like very, very weak doji. So we were expecting a potential pack runner here for the 1 hour. After making that 4-hour top wick, we wanted to see top wick somewhere in this range here for price to come up. We got that. It was like somewhere in this range. Yeah, somewhere in this range right here. We got that top wick. We set our sell stops, and yeah, set them on the break of the 15 lows, which I've done before and it's worked out well. And it was the 4-hour lows too, right? So got tapped in, and 4-hour decided to make a steeper top wick. So that's really all it was a 4-hour breakout. We no work for you. Survival of the fittest. Should we have waited? We could have waited for a 15-minute resistance, yeah. Yeah, that's probably our one improvement we can make here. But this candle didn't close above. If this candle would have closed above, I probably would have deleted the position. But we closed below, right? So if we're closing below, although we're bullish, there's a high chance that we reject the zone. There's a high chance that we still flip bearish on this 15-minute candle and come back down, but we'll see. I'm still in? Oh, nice. How could I get the journal? You can hit exclamation point journal and it'll pop up for you. Yeah, 4-hour. It was pretty clean here on the 4-hour. Yeah, we'll probably still continue down. We just maybe want to remember trading's all about timing too, right? So maybe we're just off on the timing here.
Yeah, I mean, I took that same setup. The last 8 trades I've taken that setup, they were all wins.
Yeah, when you broke that low there.
Yeah. Well, I mean, like after it broke those highs and then rebroke its low on the 1 hour, that pack runner.
Yep.
Yeah. So, there's probabilities.
Doom, 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 doom.
That's the first one that lost though. I remember we were in a Discord talking about 100% win rate, 100% win rate, 100% win rate. Just like yesterday.
He quaked it. He quaked it. Thank you very much, Mrs. Lippy. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, let's see. Did I get activated on 8 cap? I'm sure I did. Hey, yo, I didn't get activated on 8 cap. Let's go.
Hey, yo. That's funny. What? I wonder if like my Forex like just like lagged a little, and it like.
Bro, I did not get activated.
Spiked it down like I don't know. I have no idea how that works, bro. Yeah, hey, we lit.
That's
cheat code.
Crazy.
W, we take it.
I'll take it. What's today? The 29th? Yeah, I did not get activated here. Wow. Okay.
Shout out to 8 cap.
Shout out to 8 cap. 400k cent challenge.
I will say that is one thing that I do like about 8 cap. That it is a lot like smoother.
Yeah.
I feel like.
Yep.
The kid.
Can you get a funded account and earn while you learn at the same time? Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, just get an account, tune into our streams, and you'll learn. Hey yo, I'm hype. 8 cap for the W today. What else have I traded in my life? I've traded a lot of Forex pairs. Yeah, like all these pairs here. So AU was my this was a pair that I took my first big win on. It was a $300 win. This gave me all the belief I needed. So AU, I used to trade GU, GJ, UJ, Euro USD, what else? GBP AUD, GBP JPY, USD JPY, excuse me, Euro JPY, USD CAD, Euro USD, GU, and I think that's it. Yeah, that's about it. But it's been a lot of gold now for the last 3 years. Gold I've been trading every day for 3 years now. God's telling you throw away that 100K account, move on to better things now. That's funny. Did you learn any lessons on that sell? Yeah, maybe next time wait for 915, wait for a resistance to form, and then take our positions, right? Because if we get a resistance here now, and the candle closes back in a range like this, right, then the sells look even better now to come down.
Yeah.
Right? We were just expecting that to happen without making a steeper top wick. But price wanted to make a steeper top wick, no big deal. This 15-minute candle right here, if we close bearish, then we have more opportunities to come down. Why you decided to trade few pairs? Just a little bit more simple for me. I was not activated on ACAP either. Oh, nice. Same here. Nice. How much are you on your 400K account? I think I'm up almost 2% here. Yeah. Yeah, almost 2% now. So cruising on there. Doing a great job. Not much interested for the money. Just want to learn the concepts, how to trade. Yeah, exactly. And learn discipline. Yep, that's what you need. Yeah, that's what you need to focus on. Oh, here we come. Coming downtown. Looking good now. 4 hour coming back down. It is 9:30. Candle closed bullish though, so we can't really do much there. We gotta wait for 9:45 here, and I think we have news coming, right? 10 a.m.
Yeah, 30 minutes yet. Coming down. So I wonder if that being the first 1 hour candle of the 4 hour candle, like maybe we could. So just like a rule for the pack runner, like we can't take that first 1 hour candle. I don't know. I'm just trying to think of
or
ways.
At least the first 15.
Because
So
it's like for me, right there, it's like that's a pack runner setup, and it's just like I execute on it no matter what. You know what I mean? Like, but if there's other rules we could apply.
Yeah. So like what I would like for everyone to understand is how we trade, right? This is trading, right? So here's the thing about trading, right? You have your system and you let it play out, right? And then you notice these things on a day-to-day basis, right? So you start to play around with data. You start to figure out, hey, you know, the 9 a.m. candle left us a bunch of times, right? When we were waiting for 9:15. Why did it do that? You know, where was price when it did that? So one thing we've picked up here is that anytime that the 4 hour and the 1 hour resistance was very, very close to the closure, a lot of times that would lead to a smaller top wick and price to continue down. So what do? We start playing with that, right? So we watch it 4 or 5 times. We've seen it play out, and then we start executing on it a little bit, right? And then, you know, we start to see the results of the execution. Now that worked 2 times before, but this time it didn't work. So trading is all about playing around with these things. And that's why risk management is so important. And to understand that at any given time, you can lose a trade. The outcome of any given trade is random, completely random, right? But what we're doing is we're playing around with the data. We're seeing if we may have discovered something that could work out in the future, right? And in order to really learn that, you have to sample size it, and then you have to actually test it, right? So these are things that we are seeing, new things that we're seeing in the market that as traders, you want to play with, you want to test out. Now we watched it a few times, right? 5 or 6 times before it ever played, or before we ever traded it. And then we traded it, and we took 2 wins or 3 wins on it, and now this one we take a loss. So we'll continue to monitor, right? We'll continue to explore the 9 a.m. candle, but this is what it's about. It's about this trial and error, right? It's not about this 100% win rate. It's not about making all this money right here, right now, right? Like, you don't need to make money every single day as an entrepreneur, right? I know guys that are multi-millionaires that bang 4 big checks a year, right? So you have to get out of the whole thought of, I need to make money every single day, and if I don't, then I lose. That's a job mentality, right? That's like a worker, a 9-to-5 mentality. So that's why maybe you're a little upset or emotional, and I'm totally okay with testing these ideas and these, you know, thoughts that we've developed in the markets, right? So just understand that this is what trading is, right? Trading is, you know, trying things out, right? Trying your hand at it, having a firm system and a firm playbook, but seeing how you can tweak it, adjust it, make it better, you know, time things a little bit better. You know, today we just happen to be off on the timing, which is totally fine, right? Totally fine. But it's doing homework, right? It's like, yeah, exactly. It's like getting skin in the game. Yeah. And this will continue on through your trading career, right? It'll continue on throughout your trading career. Who knows? In 10 years, I might be a swing trader, right? Who knows? Right? So all you can do every day is work to get better, try different things, and, you know, see how they play out. If you're taking a loss. Yeah, if you're feeling emotional, taking a loss, turn your platform off, walk away. No good decisions come from being emotional. There are always another day and a better mindset. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, you experience a lot more than the viewers. Yeah. Hey, you guys, you know, I'm just showing you guys the trades that I'm taking, right? All the trades that I take, I believe in, but you never have to take the trades that I take, right? You could have just sat on the sideline and tested this one, like I'm sure some people did. Speak, my brother. Hey, yo, what up, Jarrett? I need a cigarette. Or a swinger. No. Another day in the game. That's right. Another day in the markets. GJ to the moon. Yeah, what else is new? What else is new? %2 is what we need.
I like
a month.
his name.
Yeah. Yeah.
30-minute candle.
Yeah, so this 30-minute 9 a.m. 9:30 NYSE Open hasn't really done much. Let's see how the 15 minutes gonna close here in 5 minutes. Got no problem with the losses because they're a part of the game. Yeah, exactly. Come take a deep dive into our wins and losses, right? You see a lot of wins, you see some losses, right? Every month you're gonna get them, right? Every month you're gonna get some wins, you're gonna get some losses, right? Sometimes you're gonna get more wins, right, than losses, and I don't think we've ever had a month where we had more losses than wins, right? But the losses are gonna be in there, right? Here and there, month by month. You could expect to see some losses, man. That's just how the game goes, right? That's how it goes. So they're there. They'll always be there. You can never run from them. You can't run from them. Alright, cool. Yeah, if the 15 closes bearish, that'd be pretty nice. Alright, give me 1 sec. I'll be right back. Yo, I'm actually hyped that I didn't get activated on ACAT, man.
That's so funny.
I would have been upset if we took the win, though. But, like, come on. 1,000 likes and you'll fight Jake Paul. Anybody in the Gulf Coast of Florida, please safe. The hurricane getting stronger. Yeah, that's where I'm at. I'm in Tampa. How much time do we stream for every day? About 3.5 hours. 70 more likes and I'll fight Jake Paul. Yeah, my Forex, their spread got, or I don't even know what got me in, but I think we hit, yeah, we hit entry. I'm not sure why the 8-cap thing didn't get activated. That's weird. Oh, can't.
Oh, you'll have to go
Thanks,
to
Will.
like the chart and see if because does it copy the exact price? Like, I don't know what it was. We'll say it was like 19, 17.5,
Yeah,
1,
I
2.
thought it did.
If it copies that exact number, but if the liquidity provider for 8-cap didn't actually come down to that number on that liquidity provider, then it definitely didn't activate it because of that.
Let's take a look.
You know what I mean? Like, if you look at
Oh,
like an
yeah, I
Oanda
don't-
chart,
Yeah, if you look at their 4-hour, it did not. It only created that initial wick. Yeah, it
Never came
never actually
back to
broke
it.
the low. Interesting.
yeah, interesting. My Forex manipulating? Question mark?
15-minute packy. Yeah, right. Look, there's a 15 packy right there.
Yep. Right into that resistance though.
You may need to set the copier up so it buys at market. Oh, maybe. I'll have to take a look in the settings there. Yeah, good stuff, Finn. Yup. Gotta focus on that long-term goal. Your emotion is bounced. Oh, thank you. 8-cap didn't activate me. 8-cap knows something. Please don't stream during that storm tomorrow. Why not? The show
Yeah, why
must go
not?
on. Might have been a my Forex funds problem. Should I annoy them? Yeah, I think I'm gonna annoy them today.
Do they ever do?
I got nothing else to do. Let's message him right now. Let's see. Toss your emotion into the ocean. Yeah, we'll see where we're at now. 1 hour candle's gonna close. 4 hour, you know, we could still go down, right? The 4 hour highs are up here. We have broken 1 hour highs and all that good stuff though, so we will see how the 1 hour candle closes. And then we got news coming in, and then we may have another position setting up here. What up, Yanosh? Yanosh in the building?
Yanosh.
Sweet.
Yanosh is that guy.
Yanosh is that guy. Daily time frame would have gave you the bias, the buy bias. Yeah, we had a bullish. So it looks like we came down, created that bottom wick right on the daily, and now we're flipping back bullish. So as I was saying, I was expecting a daily, and we also got the bottom wick for the weekly there. Oh no, I don't think we broke that low. Nah. Daily gave us a bottom wick. So yeah, you never know. We may continue up now. If we create a support, this may be a 4 hour fake out for price to continue on up. So we'll see how the 1 hour candle closes here, and then we'll take it from there. Oh, you posted a selfie? Oh, let's take a look. Let's take a look in the selfie section. Hey, Ray Capital was the first selfie in the section. In the whole channel. Yo, Brazil looks mad nice. Shad, how's Brazil? Brazil looks fire. What's it like living in Brazil? Bring out the whole family photos.
Dude, Damon.
Tampa meetup. Blake. Blake looking strong. Gotta love these selfies, man. Yanosh. Yanosh in the building. There he is. Okay. Next TTE in Brazil. Yo, I think that might be a wave.
Yanosh looks exactly how I expect him to look.
Might be the move. Might be the move.
What do you mean by that?
All right.
Oh, we need to get that one. Like, we don't use it.
Which one?
We wouldn't use it that much though. With Drewski, where he like leans up in the camera and he's like, "What do you mean by that?" Someone says something real sus.
I have an entry on GJ. Oh, nice. Good luck. Good luck. pullback. You know. Oh, TK's on his jet ski today. Nice. Let's see here. We got stopped out because Shiro didn't take a selfie. Word! Is that what happened there? Is there ever a time that you go all in? What do you mean? What do you mean by all in? Sounds like a good question. I just need to know a little bit more.
I go all in when I get dealt pocket aces.
All in, baby.
Shove. That's what they say. Shove. Push all them chips to the middle.
NASDAQ coming to a close here in 7 minutes as well. All in right before news? No, never. Full margin. Swing for the fences. Oh, 20 to 40% trade? No, those days are gone. Yeah, those days are. I used to risk like 30% of my account per trade, but not anymore. That's when I was playing with low capital. Once you got a lot of capital, you really don't need to trade like that anymore. Well, a lot is. Everyone's definition of a lot of capital is different, but once you have a decent amount of capital, then that's when I stopped playing the flip account game. How do I increase my confidence? More times I catch the right move, but I always close too early. Start closing partials. So start slowly closing less partials every single time that you see a move, right? And then you'll start to, eventually you'll say, you know what, I'm not closing partials here. I'm gonna let this one ride. I've seen this happen over and over. We've retested the support almost every single time. I'm gonna let it run till it's at that support, and then as you start to see these things in the market, you'll start to gain that confidence. Where's the application form for the elite group gonna be? That's gonna be, we'll probably post it in the chat and in the Discord. And on the website that we're creating. %, 400K, yeah. Yeah, 1% is pretty good. Oh my god, I looked over and this dude was just staring at me. Hey, yo. Yo, bro. You made me lose a trade on my account, son. Hey, nice picture. Scared me a little bit, though, when I looked over there.
Boy, creepy.
One eye creeper. Don't. Yeah, 10 a.m. coming in hot. So we'll see what happens here at 10. 5 minutes to go. We got more news, so we should get some volume here. 4 hour still respected the high, so that's still valid, but 1 hour is moving bullish, most likely going to close bullish here above the range. Same thing with the 30 minutes. So let's see how the news comes out, and then we'll take it from there. Vin, you reading this? Hey, yo, don't play with Vin. Don't play with Vin. Why'd I stop trading Forex pairs? They were really slow, getting to be really slow. The one thing I like about them compared to gold is that you can have pretty good stops, right? Like a pair like UJ or something like that where you can have pretty decent stops. Like this was what? Yeah, like 29 pip stops for previous candle back in the range. Like you usually don't find that with gold. Sometimes with gold you have to use current stops, right? So yeah, the one thing I like about that is that they are pretty decent, but you know, they're a little bit slow. UJ's okay, it's one of the faster ones, but for the most part, once you move on to pairs like gold, it's tough to go back to, you know, some of those other pairs. Let them cook. All right, 2 minutes. $1K like for a second position. Oh. How many likes we got? Yo, you didn't have to delete the photo. He's just gone. Gone. That brother stuff. Hey, chat, you could be on another podcast here today. Later on today. Should be a good one.
When they dropping that other one?
That one should be out pretty soon. I think they're still trying to.
They
I
still
don't know.
editing it.
Yeah, like editing it or something.
I want to see it.
Yeah.
I can
Yeah,
show it to
today
everyone.
we're
Be
gonna
like,
be
hey,
on-
look, I know this guy. I know this guy.
Yeah, I'll show you the pod we're gonna be on today. Yeah, we're gonna be on this podcast today. It's called the Forex Beginner Podcast. So stay tuned for that. Calvin's gonna be doing the interviewing, and yeah, he just had a few good, pretty big names on here too. Had Q. I know you had QB Stu on here too. I really like watching this dude. He does a good job at prop firm stuff. Doyle, some of you guys have heard of Doyle. Yeah, so we'll be on this be doing an interview here today with Calvin. Should be a great conversation. Should be good.
He looks familiar. I feel like I've definitely seen him before.
Yeah. Kimmel, yeah. That brother stop. All right, 20 seconds. Give the stream a like, yeah. Spreads are wild. Let's take a look. Oh, look at that pump up. Oh. There's the rocket ship. What did that do to the daily candle? Filled the wick in 1 second. Would you look at that?
So let's see. Pending. Why is it pending?
Will the interview be live? No. Yeah, we're gonna record the interview. I guess they'll produce it and drop it at their own time. I'm sure they have a lot of interviews that are in production right now. All right, so big
All right,
push
so
up.
look, we
Talk to
did
us.
see a decrease in job openings with jolts, and we did see a decrease in the consumer confidence report, right? So that's why you did see gold just make that massive bullish explosion there, right? Because those are both bearish things for the US dollar, bullish things for gold. So we'll have to see what price is going to keep doing. But, you know, as far as the daily candle and everything goes, I mean, if you can get a closure above, this thing is good to keep moving. Based off of that news.
Yes, sir.
But I will say, very important that you get that, you wait for a closure above though, because the current 4-hour candle is still bearish.
Yeah, we'll see what goes down. I guess we'll be waiting
Yeah.
for at least a 15-minute closure here. We got a wick to fill up here. Nice clean range to move up. So we'll see what happens here. W guys gotta go. All right. F4X F94. There you go. Casino's open. Who took buys? Who took sells? Who took sells? Who took buys there?
Base 5 pass. Yo,
Let's go.
Shout out Shero.
Shiro with the dub.
Yeah, so that's interesting that we did see that there today, right? So for the last 3 consumer confidence reports, the whole ways back into May, you know, we saw an actual greater than forecast every month, right? But right as Powell started talking about the rate hikes with the lag effect, you know, now we're seeing them have an impact on the economy. Boom, today, right? As we talked about it, we've seen that chance for those actual numbers come out. I'm gonna have to rewind. I want to hear what I said exactly. But I do know that we talked about that for sure. We definitely talked about there being a chance for these numbers to come out lower than forecast, right? Overall, it's like you can't sit there and be like, okay, this is gonna be the report that does it, right? Because if you look at the last 3 previous ones, they were all good, right? We have some things now on the table that we know with what Powell was telling us at the Jackson Hole Symposium speech that we could assume, right? But until we see those numbers come out, you know, just wait.
Just wait on it.
Just
I'm a
wait
hedge
on it.
next time. If you continue to follow your strategies, one is sure. Oh, come on, bro. Come on, man. I will not sell the top. I will not sell the top. Yeah, the top's just continuing to top. I subbed. Hope you guys do this often. Didn't realize how much news affects markets. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, we do this often. We do this every day, Monday through Friday.
Yeah, I like whenever I hear people say that they like the news,
Yeah.
or at least when I talk about that. Like the way you explain different types of news, how quick you can pump, 2 minutes, 5 minutes. Yeah, see, so like right there, for example, you've seen that news hit. We saw a difference in, so if you get, so there's an actual and there's a forecast for every single news event on Forex Factory. When the forecast and the actual end up being the same thing, you don't really see too much of a change. Like, you don't get that volume, that push with price, right? You get that volume and price throws those big wicks whenever you have a bigger difference in the actual and the forecast, right? Because that is the market was not expecting that to happen with the news, right? So boom, it gets priced in that quick second, a quick minute or two or whatever it is, you know. But yeah, I mean 6 minutes in the candle, this thing's flying. No FOMO though. Nobody has FOMO, I hope.
I do a little FOMO. All in on the monthly pack runner. Hey yo. Nah, if we see this thing flip, that's gonna be nuts. That's gonna be nuts.
On the monthly?
We're pushing now.
Do that, bro. Straight bullish.
Daily candle looks clean too now. Oh, you're seeing pack runners everywhere now. They're everywhere. Yeah, 4-hour fake out. Confirmed.
Confirmed.
Yeah, I was
Yeah,
trying to make
imagine.
sure we weren't getting faked out either, but even by putting my resistance here or my level here, but it was just a fake out. Sometimes that's gonna happen.
Yeah, there's probabilities.
One thing we can say we learned is that hey, if we would have waited for the 15, we would have never got activated, right? And that's it. And then we can move on from it. And now we know that for next time. Now we know that for years to come.
Exactly. That 15-minute was that confirmation for that direction.
Yep.
Clearly, I mean,
Yep.
Yeah.
Right
you
here.
weren't wrong about the direction. The trade was wrong.
Yep. Yeah, grab the pack on the 15 right there too. See that? Grab the pack and then right up.
And because of like the 4-hour candle, like that's why the 15 minutes is strong confirmation.
Yeah.
Not even talking about pre-volume of 9:30.
Yeah, because once we have an official resistance, then I think we can say that's going to be our 4-hour top wick. But until we get that, then it seems like that could be a little wishy-washy. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. There's no strong, like, concrete idea there, I guess. So, yeah, the stronger confirmation is going to be on the 15 for sure.
Because what other way is there to get a confirmation about the 4-hour topic, right?
Yep.
Got to be 9:15.
Yeah, and normally we would do that, right?
That's why it's.
Yeah, normally we use it.
That's yeah.
There's been quite a few times here where 9 a.m. has ran on us, and we've been disciplined, right? We've stayed away, we didn't get FOMO, we let it go. But as that continued to happen, we looked into it, right? And we kind of started to figure out a few clues that, hey, when, like I said earlier, like when does the 9 a.m. run? When does it run at 9 a.m. and when does it wait? Right? And a lot of it has to do with the range, right? Where we close outside of the range, and the 15-minute candle. So yeah, I think next time we just wait. We go back to what we were doing earlier, waiting for a 9:15, and then hey, if we miss it, we miss it. If not, at least we have a better confirmation at that point.
Yeah, 9 a.m. beautiful breakout play. It's just new 4-hour candle. How do we know that's the top wick, right?
Right.
Yeah.
What's gonna give us that confirmation that that's the top wick? That's 15 minutes.
Yep.
Yeah, 100%. True.
Nick, I did revenge trading today and I got burned. Oh. Protect your capital. Exactly. Why this much volatility with the news? And what is the news exactly? Sam, can you repeat all that again?
So,
all right, Sam's gonna give you a 20-minute rundown.
we'll do a little TLDR. So we had our first consumer confidence report in the last 3 months come out bad, which would be also bad for the US dollar. And what do we know about gold is that gold is a safe haven, and investors will move their money into gold during times of fear, uncertainty, and doubt in the economy. So if we are seeing bad numbers come out for the consumer confidence report, which is a leading indicator for, you know, future economic conditions and business conditions, then we can expect gold to make a move up. Very simple, clear cut and dry.
Clear cut.
And also with the JOLTS jobs reports too, we saw the job reports come down as well. Buddy, I just answered your question. Quit asking.
So tell us why again. I want to.
Yeah.
I want to see if I could find that move. The move that we just took today. I know I had a YouTube short. Trying to remember what trade that was.
That's a good question. So Toby asks, could we have anticipated this with the fundamentals today? I would say, here, yeah, go ahead and show your.
No, I just want to. This was the exact entry we took here today. How do we rewind this? How do you rewind it?
I don't know. You might have to refresh the page. Don't turn the sound on. It's so loud.
So look, you see the 15 low, how it broke there? That was the same entry we just took. Right here.
Yep.
Right? And it worked out for us there. It just didn't work out today. It was off the 15-minute break of the lows, and price decided to push there. Once we broke those lows, I think it came down pretty nicely. But yeah, if you guys notice, it was right off the break of that 15 low, just like we did it today.
See, and look, that was, yeah, pack runner too. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Yup.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Yep. So they're
probabilities today, in my opinion. I do think that we definitely, like John was saying, waiting for that first 15 minutes is definitely never a bad idea.
Yeah.
Because then you
definitely. Looking at all the data here, then I would say let's just stick with the 15, right? But it's something we tried, right? It doesn't hurt to try. It worked out for us more than not, but what we see is that it's not something that maybe we could depend on all the time, right? So we want to make sure we can confidently say, hey, we got 85% win rate on this position, but I don't think as of now we can really say that we're for sure, right? We got an 85%, chance of winning that trade. So it worked out more than it didn't, but I think after today we'll kind of just go back to watching a move like this happen. More watching. But yeah, same exact entry as today. Yeah, seems good. The odds just not in our favor over time. Yeah, I don't think the odds may be in our favor over time. That's what I'm starting to see a little bit. Yeah.
Keyword.
Yeah.
Over time.
Yep.
I like that. That's a good.
So I'll move away from actually executing on that one, and I'll just go back to watching it. See if it's something that we can get a better read on, and if it is, then we'll reintroduce it. If not, you'll probably never hear of it again. I think that's great that you try new things. How else do you get better at? Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Luckily, you guys get to kind of trade with me every day, so this is the life of a trader. Trying new things, right? Sticking within the parameters of your playbook. trying little things here and there, seeing if they work, seeing if they have good good long-term results or not, right? And then either, putting it on the playbook or chalking it, right? Like the pack runner's one that we've seen work out a lot now. We can count on that one, but that entry there, I think we can continue to do some more watching and waiting.
Yeah. Oh yeah, so let me get back to what I was saying. So
Yeah.
could we have anticipated that bullish move with the fundamentals? I want to say you could have, but is it worth it, right? Because you're betting on being the first report of us seeing a decrease or just a decline in the U.S. economy, right? Over, just to be very general. So, I mean, we had some bad manufacturing data last week that you could maybe use, and you could have also used. Really, what it was for me is, we had Powell come out on Friday, and he was talking about the lag effect that the rate hikes is having on the economy is now starting to show. And so, obviously, with the lag effect starting to show, we could see a decline today with the reports. But it's it's going to be the first job report that we see come out over the last 3 months, and the same thing with the consumer confidence report, where it came down versus up. Sorry, I was trying to read the chat while I was talking about that.
How about you go work on Wall Street? How about you come up here and give us your fundamental analysis? Come on up.
I have some learning to do.
We all do.
There's always gonna be some learning, yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Yeah, we're getting up to some choppy territory up here. It's getting choppy.
That'll
15-minute
be
candle did
interesting to
close.
see.
I think we'll sit on one more 15. If we don't get anything, then we'll probably just call it a day and bounce back tomorrow. Yeah. Let's see how that 15 closed. What was the range there? Oh yeah, not much. Yeah, we're starting to approach some rough waters up here. So we'll see what happens in this area. So much easier to be a swing trader with news, yeah.
Does fundamentals triumph over technicals? No, I always say price action is king, right? And so, and that kind of leads back to your previous question. Could you have predicted that move? Well, the only real thing physical right in front of your face before the actual news release right there was price closing bullish, creating a support, closing back within the range. So that's why I always like to say that, follow price action, but also look at the news, understand the fundamentals, and understand how you can further increase your bias and support your analysis.
Yeah.
Right, because that's the one thing we do as traders anyways, right? Do you want to guess or gamble, or or would you rather just let the market come in first and get your piece?
Get your piece of the pie. Hold up, chat. Let me finish this. All right, cool. Alrighty, where are we? Where are we? Still pushing up? Yeah, it's getting choppy. Getting choppy. Let's see how the 15 candle closes, and then we'll see what's up. Because if this candle closes bearish, then we might be able to, you know, look for sells coming back down. If not, I'll probably just call it a day because the buys are getting a bit choppy here. Bit choppy moving up here. So we got like 9 minutes to make a decision. Check NASDAQ? Yeah, let's take a look. Holy! Beautiful. Pumped. Pumping, pumping. Yeah, NASDAQ had clean range to the left. Very nice move. The only good news I know is Christ crucified and resurrected. Amen, brother. Amen. Now that's some good news. That is the good news. If you were looking for good news today, that's the good news for you today, my friends. Give it up. Lay it at the foot of the cross. It's a work that you can't do on your own, I promise. 1,000 likes for a second trade. Yo, what up? What up, Joseph? What up, Joseph? What's the background music? Aha. Right here. You guys want some chill out background music? There you go. Take a look. Take a look. I told you guys I play that music even when I'm looking for trades on my own, off stream. It just settles me in. If there was a Pictionary image of discipline, it would be y'all, I swear. So with how easy you can use the playbook, how come you don't look at any more pairs? It's just a personal preference. Yeah, one thing about gold is one thing about having one pair is you can really learn it, right? You can really spend time with it every single day, build a relationship with it, know when it likes to trade, when it doesn't like to trade, all that good stuff. For other pairs, I don't like to have more than 2 or 3 pairs on my watch list. I think it's just something about how I learn, how my brain works. So that's the only reason why, but it's all personal preference, you know. Some people can have like 15, 16 pairs up. What would you need to see on a 15-minute closure? I want to see the 15 close bearish. Bearish back below the range. Then we may be able to maybe continue down, right into these levels down here. So we'll see if we get that. Yeah, and then the other thing is you got to start mastering those pairs, right? You got to understand, hey, when do those pairs like to move? What you know, what affects them? What are the session opens for those pairs? Like all that. There's a lot of little nuances now when you dive deep into each pair. So now you got to see how and when does the playbook work best on that pair. So there's a lot of work to do. What up, options? Options. Yesterday I passed my challenge. Today I blow it. Ay, ay, ay. Yeah, that's happened to me. I've been there before. Do you have a monthly target? No, I don't keep any targets. I just trade. You know, I just freely come in the markets with a free mind day in and day out. Look for the best setups I could find, and then, you know, let the chips fall where they may. Yeah, I don't have any, because if I have a 10%, if I have let's say I have a 10% monthly goal, you know, let's say I'm trading really, really well and it's the 20th and I'm up 8%. Well, I'm going to start thinking, right? I'm going to start maybe saying, oh, you know, I only need to, let me lower my risk here. Let me do this, right? So I just like to freely trade, and then wherever I end up at the end of the month is fine. Yeah, it's totally fine. Take what the market can give you. Yeah, I don't like to keep targets because I might sell myself short, right? I might look at the target and start to trade differently, or decrease my lot size or increase my lot size. I might trade less. I might trade more, right? So I don't want any of those factors to come into play. I just want to show up to the charts every day. I can care less about the balance. I just want to show up and take the best trade day in, day out, and then keep it moving like that. And typically at the end of the month, I'll be somewhere between like 8 and 12 or 15%. Outside of the last 2 months. Last 2 months, we've been like break even.
Yeah, never set goals.
Monthly gains, yeah, monthly. I usually average anywhere from like 5 to 15 a month. Yeah, I never set any goals though. And as a trader, look, it's okay. It's okay to not make money on 1 month or maybe 2 months, right? Because if your strategy really works and your system really works, then you've already had enough money come in over the past 5-6 months that having a month where you don't make money in the markets doesn't really affect you. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter, right? Now, if you're scrapping for dollars, of course, like, you're not going to hear me out on that. But if you've been trading for some time and, you know, you've been taking withdrawals and getting payouts and all that stuff, you know, 1 or 2 months of no profit or anything like that shouldn't really affect you. Happens to a lot of traders. And a lot of you guys on funded accounts, like, you know, a lot of traders that you follow, here's the major difference between a funded account and a live account is that, let's say my balance is 100K, right? And maybe I took a couple losses, right? And I went down to 95,000. Well, let's say I make $1,000 today, I could just go withdraw that, right? So it doesn't seem like you're down, but when you're trading on a funded account, you're starting to play defense mentally because you're looking at the balance and you're thinking, man, I'm down, right? Where, trust me, traders, there's so many traders that, you know, put money into an account, lose a little bit, but they could still withdraw it, right? Because it's a live account. So if they make some money that day, they withdraw the money. It doesn't seem like they're down. So don't get down on yourself just because you know the balance of your account, right? And don't play on defense, right? Just show up every day with a clear mind and look for the best trades you can find. Can I follow you to pass the challenge? Yeah, you can follow here. Yeah, we'll get you right. Yeah, our system works really good for funding companies, right? Or funding accounts, because we never have big stops. We never hold positions overnight. We never, you know, have these big drawdowns or anything like that. It's typically under 20 pips, right? So yeah, I think we have a great system for funding accounts. Yeah, that's probably going to do it here for me today. Had a 30-minute closure right at resistance. So I think that's going to be it. Yeah. Remain process focused. Yeah, exactly. Do you have other businesses that you work on the side? I had a marketing company, but I don't have that anymore. Yeah. So no, so just outside of like trading, just got education, business, and then that's it. Everything's built around trading. I got rid of all the other sales, all the other marketing stuff, and just flow with this. But yeah, I think that's gonna be it here, gang. Any last comments, concerns? Let's see.
Nah, W day.
Yeah, W.
W day took our lesson.
Took our lesson.
Never lose, you learn.
That's it. Word.
Yeah.
Yes,
We got
sir.
this for the rest of our life now, right? To go over. So.
Yup. So lovely gang. That's gonna be it here for us today. Doesn't look too clean going up at this point. There's a lot of resistance in the way. But that'll be it for today, and then we'll come back at it tomorrow, right? Wednesday, midway through the week. We'll see if we can catch some nice positions and report back tomorrow. All right, boys.
Yes,
Hope
sir.
you guys have a great one.
Peace, boys.
Chat. Hope you have a
Peace,
great day.
chat. Love you.
And we'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace.